Hello everyone. We may have bigger things to think about today than the FX market if that asteroid hits the Earth. Perhaps the Mayans were right after all, just off by a few weeks. We'll see about that in the next few hours. Meanwhile, back here on Earth, the yen is still in the crosshairs. The G20 meeting gets into full swing today, and Russia apparently is pushing policymakers to make a more specific commitment against exchange rate manipulation. The draft communique is said to commit the group only to avoiding FX misalignments. On that point, an IMF representative noted that the major currencies are all close to fair value, which would mean that none of the majors is currently engaging in what could be called manipulation. That should take some of the pressure off the Japanese. Still, Japanese politicians have probably gotten the message and are likely to keep quiet about the yen for now, which could slow the rise in dollar-yen. We've already seen that the loss of momentum in the pair has caused some position squaring. The other problem with dollar-yen is that there's a debate in Japan about who will be the next Bank of Japan governor. Press reports suggest that Prime Minister Abe is facing a rift with his finance minister over the issue, which could lead to some disappointment with the final appointment. The decision may be leaked to the press before Prime Minister Abe meets with President Obama next week. So the fundamental view for dollar-yen is somewhat negative, or at least mixed. On the other hand, the technicals appear to be positive over the next few days. What to do? We expect a modest rebound in dollar-yen after the recent fall, but euro-yen could consolidate further for some time after the disappointing Q4 GDP figures from the Eurozone yesterday. We suggest that people who are still interested in shorting the yen look to do so against the dollar, not against the euro. This is Marshall Gittler, head of Global FX Strategy at IronFX, wishing you solid trading.